Boys and girls, I'm back. Holidays are over. Time to finish the mx5. Splitter, side skirts going on. And after that, I'll probably do smaller videos and other project videos because we got a few more projects coming up. Get ready for the season. Right, let's go and do something. The front splitter is together, so are the side skirts. And this place has turned into right storage. Right, and another thing, float blast that we used for this last time is really good. With the splitter, I'll put it up like this, as you can see. It's all solid, and I didn't even do anything underneath like we did with the spoiler at the back. So, real happy with this. And for the price, it's really good. Now, let's get this thing lifted up and then bolt everything on. At the minute, what I'm going to do, I'm going to bolt all these things up and leave them as they are. Not going to paint them, not going to do any prep work. I'm going to leave them bare as they are essentially, and we'll see how it goes. Later on, might make molds out of these or put some fiberglass filler, whatever, and go from there. But for now, this is exactly how they're going to look. Let's go and see how they look in the car. Right, about half an hour later, I think I got it where I want it. I'm just going to have these gaps here, but we're going to deal with those later. But it sits literally flush the wheel on this side, and same on this side. So next thing is get underneath it, drill some holes, start mounting it up. Alright, excuse the rain, but that's what we're dealing with. Currently on 4 bolts and nuts, and obviously these need tied in. I'm going to print more 3D creases for that, but it's looking good. At the minute it's set like that. I've propped up the side skirt, and they're going to sit like this. Just need to drill holes underneath, go from there. Alright, let's get that done. I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so this is the current look. I've gone all the way flush to the tyre for this one. This one still needs trimming down. Well, that's not a big issue. And obviously these ones here will need essentially spacers printing out and gluing on. And then this thing will be looking mint. Next thing, get the spoiler bolted on and call it a day for that. Right, a little update. I did this one, so now it lines up. It's got a little gap, but that's absolutely fine. It's just got that. Happy with that, and ends up it's so packed in here I can't get to the spoiler, so oh well. That'll do for now, and I'll just probably work on this one in the background with the other project, and unless you guys want to see some bits and bobs, because all that's left essentially is exhaust. Might film the rear panel because I want to do the custom one. Then oils, brake lines doing, because obviously that one's JDM car, didn't have the ABS, UK car did, so need custom lines for that. But that's fairly boring, all things considered. So I'll probably leave that off the camera. And then next time, guys probably gonna see it is either rear panel, rear spoiler, or it'll be at some sort of show where I'm gonna take it. So that's it. If you guys like something like this, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao.
I'm gonna Bye.